Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to find history of installed apps in Google Play Store on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Play Store application and now go ahead to this account icon at the top right in the corner of the screen. After, just tap on this manage apps and device. In this page, you have to go to this manage options, I guess, at the top, and this is the history application that I have downloaded from my Google Play Store in my device. You just have to scroll it down to see it more. So yeah, I think it's enough guys, a tutorial from me how to find history of installed apps in a Google Play Store on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.